Okay, this is the area out around the house during our dark. You can still see light way off in the distance over there. And these dumb people in this airplane could have picked a better time to fly over the house, the stupid things. I still saw a bird out flying around. That's really something, even though there was... Let's see if we can get back up there again. Well, I guess I'll take this for an amateur that's never done this before. Okay, this is it for me. I'm turning it off. My arms are killing me. And the total eclipse was over. Turning it off. Here we are coming back into light. It's still weird looking out here. Light's starting to pick up. Look at that tree. That's a that's a good little object right there. Let's see what these other ones do. Birds are sure chirping. They're probably trying to figure out what this is all about. Okay, folks, that's it for me for the day.